It's expensive, but we have to pay for that. We have to pay for
Kwara State Governor AbdulRahman AbdulRazaq says he's hopeful that the perennial flood disaster affecting some communities, especially in the northern part of the state, will soon become a thing of the past. The governor, during a one-day stakeholders meeting on the activities of the Hydroelectric Power Producing Areas Development Commission, HYPPADEC, appreciated the federal government and its statutory bodies for making brilliant moves to check the menace in states mostly affected. Governor AbdulRahman AbdulRazaq noted that such intervention by HYPPADEC will equally result in improved electricity across the country.
Most of these communities are exposed to several environmental degradation, flooding, and continue to suffer untold hardship since their livelihood is solely dependent on fishing and farming. Our people are therefore vulnerable.
Managing Director, HYPPADEC, Abubakar Yelwa, said the Commission is ready to provide borehole water and employment opportunities for the youth of the 6 local government areas where flood destroyed their houses and means of livelihood.
We have reached an advanced stage with National Directorate for Employment for the transformation of 490 youths of Kwara State origin, 490 youths, and 70% of which must come from these affected communities.
Edu, Patigi, Kayama, Moro, Barutin, and Asa local government areas are the affected areas in Kwara State.